Hey, I'm Gabriel. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share my experiences about making money online, entrepreneurship, and financial intelligence. So, in this video, we're going to be talking about 10 ways you can make money online with your smartphone. So, for more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I upload. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first way we're going to be talking about is flipping Instagram pages. This is where you buy an Instagram page cheap and you resell it for some profit, or you buy, grow, and sell for some profit. If you know how to grow an Instagram page, that would actually be like an added advantage because your profit margins will be better because you can flip and almost double the profit share. So I will link in the description down below places where you can get your Instagram accounts cheap and some websites where you can resell for profit. Mind you, the Instagram flipping game is full of potential scams, so please do it at your own discretion. When you want to buy or sell, use a middleman. A middleman is this kind of person that holds the money and holds the account when you want to buy or sell. When you're buying an Instagram account, ensure that you get the original email. I will make a separate video on the steps and procedures in buying or selling an Instagram page. So the second we'll be talking about is starting a WhatsApp or Telegram TV. WhatsApp or Telegram both have large amounts of users. Like WhatsApp is around 500 million users and Telegram just recently hit 400 million users. So you can actually leverage their user base to actually generate some income for yourself. And that is through starting a WhatsApp or Telegram TV. So what's a WhatsApp TV? A WhatsApp TV is just a branded account that seeks to probably entertain or inform general public, and they do this by letting a large number of people view their statuses. So WhatsApp and Telegram TVs make money through advertising. So I want you to think of something. We all have that one person on our contact list whose status we always open because they post memes, funny pictures, trending or controversial topics. Now the reason we do that is because they post things that we are interested in, and that's the idea we want to use here. We want to be posting things that a select number of people would be interested in. That's how WhatsApp and Telegram TVs work, by looking for people that will be most interested in the kind of content they plan on uploading. I have a friend that actually does this and he bags 70,000 naira per month. So if you want to do this, you have to plan the type of content you want to be posting. I did a little research and I found out that the kinds of contents that work best is probably memes, funny pictures, and controversial topics. Even some TVs put in a little bit of porn and whole stories. But if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, then why not? As long as it makes you money, right? So I'll link in the description listen down below, where you can get these content and everything. I have it. I'm on a channel that posts just whole stories, so I can share that with you guys. No biggie. So to get started with your WhatsApp TV, just go and download the WhatsApp Business. I'm assuming you have a separate phone number that you can use because it's not advised to use your actual phone number. So when you do this, you create a personalized link with a custom message so that anyone that clicks that link will be taken to your WhatsApp with a custom message. Then you can now add them to your contacts list. So once you've created your personalized link, you're now supposed to get as much traffic to that link as possible. I mean, sharing it on your WhatsApp status, sharing it to your friends on Facebook, sharing it to your Instagram followers, just so that you can grow your network to a certain level. So when your network gets to a certain level, you can now start cross-promoting with other WhatsApp TVs. What I mean by this is that while he promotes your TV on his own status, while you promote his own TV on your own status, so that you guys can mutually grow. Another thing you can use to grow is that you can leverage your skills with other WhatsApp TVs. I know a guy that wanted to do this and he could design logos. So what he did was that he offered his services to a WhatsApp TV whose logo was looking somehow. So the guy agreed to promote his own on his own just in exchange for his logo design services. So that's another thing you can do. Another thing you can do to grow your network is that you can actually pay share. Like I said, WhatsApp TVs make money through advertising. So if you have the cash, then you can pay WhatsApp TV to promote your own this thing, and you can grow your network like that. So Telegram TVs is almost the same thing as WhatsApp TVs. The only difference is that for Telegram, you just add people to your subscribers list. It's kind of like a huge group chat. So if you have the Telegram app, you should actually understand what I'm trying to say. The third way we'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. This is where you sell other people's product for some commission. You can actually become an affiliate for Jumia or Konga, but their affiliate program doesn't pay all that well. So what I personally recommend is that you go and send messages to small businesses on Instagram. Maybe a business that sells gadgets and phone accessories, organic skincare products, or another one that sells maybe clothes or shoes or bags. I personally see a lot of people doing the route of clothes and shoes and bags, so that is a very good one that you can actually do. So what you do is that you go and talk with them. You guys will agree on the commission you get per sale of each item. Or what they can do is that they can give you a base price to be adding your own price on top, so that the difference between both of them will be your profit. You get, it's like a cross between drop shipping and affiliate marketing. So once you've got your supplier down, the only thing that remains is for you to market your product. And if you're good at marketing, the amount of money you can make is potentially limitless. But if you're doing this, try to add a twist, something that would actually make your business stand out, because there are a lot of people doing this, and the only way one of the ways to succeed in business is to make yourself stand out. So that's it. 3 ways you can make money with just your smartphone. If you've learned something in this video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Any new subscription will be appreciated. And if you've made it this far into the video, I would like to personally say thank you, because I know first videos aren't all that good. So I really appreciate it. So I would catch you guys in the next video.